हेलो एवरीवन, यू आर वाचिंग ट्रू स्कूप एंड आई एम परिना। जिस पैंडेमिक से हम सब लड़ रहे हैं उसको हम हमेशा क्रिटिसाइज ही करते आए हैं अभी तक, और पॉजिटिव चीज़ें नहीं देख रहे हैं, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सी द प्रोज ऑफ इट एज वेल। एंड कीपिंग दिस इन माइंड हम आज एलपीयू आ चुके हैं और हमारे साथ एलपीयू का एक स्टूडेंट मौजूद है, मिस्टर प्रवीण, जिन्होंने WHO की गाइडलाइंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए कुछ चीज़ें इन्वेंट की हैं और साथ में उनकी पूरी टीम है। और मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि साथ में डॉक्टर अनीता हैं, डॉक्टर राजेश एंड असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर मनदीप। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप सबका। हाउ आर यू मिस्टर प्रवीण? अच्छा, सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई वांट कि आप थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ में हमारे ऑडियंस को बता दो दैट व्हाट ऑल हैव यू इन्वेंटेड।
Ma'am, basically everything that we have invented is focusing on the precautionary measures that were issued by the WHO. That is the primary body to control everything right now in COVID-19. So first is you can see there is a UV racket. So what it does is that
I would ask you to please show it to the audience also.
Okay, ma'am. So basically this is a UV racket. This is a very portable device. What the main objective of this device is that we cannot sanitize everything that we have. You have food coming from marketplace or anything, you cannot sanitize that with the sanitizing gel. So what this does is that you can directly pick it up, you can switch it on, and it radiates the UV radiation from it. So what you can do is that you can wave off just over your food or any items, essential items you have, and it will directly sanitize those. So this is a very portable device which can be used by the public to sanitize their places. So second device is also a precautionary measure to maintain the social distancing. So its name is Kavach. So the main objective of this device is that you can wear it in your neck like a pendant, and it will make sure that no one breaches your safe distance. So what it will do, whenever someone breaches the safe distance of 2 meters from you, it will directly alert you. So what you can do is that you can move off or you can back off from that place. Third device is 20 seconds for life. This is a very interesting device because this is also a precautionary measure of WHO. That is, we should wash our hand for more than 20 seconds to kill maximum possible COVID-19 virus. But in a hectic schedule of life right now, we cannot take every time our phone out and put on a timer and take it as a reference. So what this device does is that it can act like a patch to any hand wash bottle, so you can directly fit it in, and whenever you will push the knob, it will play us very soothing music for 20 seconds. So what you can do is that you can take it as a reference that until the music is not stopping, I will wash my hands. So this is a very device which is very useful.
So it becomes very easy for a kid also to realize that it's been more than 20 seconds.
Yes, exactly. The fourth product we can say is a very robot whose name is Ali. So it is a very interesting robot as well because we know that right now the frontline workers, which are doctors and everything, they are facing a lot of danger from infection because they are working with contaminated people. So, and again one fact come into play, that how we are disposing the waste, how we are taking the waste from the contaminated places. So at that place the robot Ali comes into place when it can directly go into the bed and can collect the waste, and it can go also for the disposal. So also it is very touchless, so you don't have to touch it to put the garbage. You can directly come, you can say like that, Ali, come to bed number 18. So it will be pre-fed, it has the path learning algorithm also inside it. So you can directly go to that place or that bed and collect the garbage, and then it can also move it back. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you please tell us why is it blinking?
Basically you are between my safe distance of 2 meters. So it is alerting me that someone has breached my safe distance of 2 meters. Now it's not blinking because no one is there between the 2 meters. But when I will turn, it will be blinking right now.
So I would like to ask you, Praveen, what all difficulties have you faced during this?
Ma'am, basically there are a lot of difficulties from a mind to market journey, because mind journey is like a prototype which we build in colleges. But when we are focusing on a product which can be developed or which can be launched into market, then there are various factors that comes into play, like the design of the product, because we don't want that a common lifestyle is completely changed. I am giving you a product which is completely changing a lifestyle will not be accepted by many people, because India's people are very rigid, you must be knowing that. So what is that, we focus on design which can be used as patch or very minimalistic device which can use, and it will directly help you or act you like a guide for you to take the precautionary measures, and Ali as a preventive measures also. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I would like to ask you now that how did the idea of this thing come?
Yeah, actually, as we heard that in a hospital, there is all the doctors and nurses are near to the COVID infected persons. तो वहाँ से हमने ये प्लान किया कि कोई इस तरीके का टचलेस जो है ऐसा बिन बने जिससे वी कैन टेक दी गार्बेज फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट प्लेसेस विदाउट द इंटरवेंशन ऑफ द पर्सनस एंड जैसे ही ये रोबोट को हम कॉल करेंगे तो ये उस लोकेशन पे जाएगा और विदाउट टच इसका फ्लैप ओपन हो जाएगा एंड यू कैन प्लेस दी गार्बेज इनसाइड इट। और इस तरीके से कि उन वर्कर्स को कुछ सेफ्टी मिले जिससे मतलब ज़्यादा जो इन्फेक्टेड एरिया में इस तरीके के रोबोट्स काम करें जिससे कि ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन जो है ख़त्म हो जाए। तो वी हैव रियलाइज्ड for that case.
Dr. Anita, when can we expect any of these inventions coming in the market and how do you launch it? What is the whole process?
Hello. Actually, we are working on launching all of the products which we have. One of this Kavach is also one of the industry. They are making it, but this 20 seconds for life which Praveen was talking about, it is about telling the 20 seconds to wash your hand. It will alert you for that. So that basically has been transferred to one of the industry, Ojiskar. Technology transfer has been already taken place, and within 1 month I think it will be in the market. So this is basically going to be looking.
So Praveen, were you the only student in this project?
No, ma'am. With me, several other teammates of mine also where they're involved. Right now, they are at home. Basically, they are off from different states. With me in different projects, I can think that 4 to 5 students were also involved. The names can be my teammates were Mahesh Kumar Prajapat from Hyderabad and Wasim Akram also from Hyderabad and Vaishnavi Gupta from Kanpur and Bishrati Roy from West Bengal, basically Kolkata, and also teammate name also Vinay from EC also my team.
Actually, ma'am, when we visualize the thing that yes, we have to make this product, a certain timeline is defined, but that timeline goes beyond when we actually realistic that product, when we are manufacturing, certain challenges are there. So all these products we worked day and night, and within 1.5 to 2 months these all products were ready, and they will be in market soon.
And these products are really nice and they'll be soon in the market, so you must opt for it. And बहुत ही lovely inventions हैं और WHO की guidelines को ध्यान में रखते हुए हैं, so they are really amazing. Stay tuned with True Scoop, हम फिर हाजिर होंगे.